Alright, let's just full screen this. So they're gonna end Ygopro Pro Percy. But there's another one called Yugioh Pro. And here's how you do it. It's easier than Percy. You don't have to extract anything. But if you don't have the Discord, should make one. See, they changed it to Project Ignis. This was Ygopro Pro Percy. But if you don't have the Discord, Yugioh Pro Percy. It's still under ygiopro.co. And then you go to the Discord here. So any browser, Yugioh Pro Percy, it's gonna take you there. And then you're just gonna have to sign up. I already did this, so I'm just gonna continue. Oh, this one's taking a bit. Come on. So you're just gonna have to register. Once you register, you don't even need to download the app, but the app is good. You could get it on your phone, on your PC. So you go on this one, go to downloads, and we're just gonna do the easy one right here. First one. Use this if you don't know what you're doing. Okay. I've already installed this and I deleted it just to make this video for you guys. And we just download it. Wait for the download to finish. It's complete. So we go down here. And then it's gonna do this. Then you go to more info. Just run anyways. And just agree. Then finish it. I don't know what this is. And you could just close this out. And here it is. Just double click. And you got it. There's servers. I've heard the manual way gets the US server, but you got your servers. decks. Some structure decks here already made. You're just gonna take that music off. Apply. Huh. Oh crap, what? Let's just host one quick. Use a structure deck. Oh, start it up. I don't know how to play this deck, but just showing you guys. And I'm gonna surrender. Don't save the replay. No rematch. Duel ended. Okay. And then it's in your, go to files here. It's saved into your local C right here. I was trying to look for it, like where is this? It's right there. You could have your, you could copy and paste decks here. This is from my old one here. I'm probably going to, where is that? Unpin all these and then pin these ones in here so I have quick access to it. Where was that? Just gonna left click, right click, copy my old deck into here, paste, so it's right there, and where was it at? Just gonna exit this, pull it up again, decks, go right there. See, I was missing the Dark Magician. And that's how you download Project Ignis Yugioh Pro. Sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.